Today we're going to go over how to install a flow meter on an existing skid sprayer. Let's go over the components. First, you have your flow meter with this tag with a calibration number shown here. You don't want to remove this tag, you're going to need it for setup later. Next, you're going to have your flow sensor cable, your power cable that's going to go to your battery and power your FlowMate, hose barbs, and last but not least, your FlowMate flow monitor display. We're going to start by putting your hose barbs into your flow meter. You're going to want to use either Teflon tape or pipe dope. When finding a suitable place to mount the flow meter, keep in mind that the manufacturer recommends it not be installed closer than 5 inches to any obstruction, such as elbows, bends in the line, or anything that might obstruct flow. Next, we're going to install our flow sensor into the flow meter. Once our flow sensor is installed, now we can go ahead and plug that into our FlowMate flow monitor, shown here. Keep in mind that this does have 2 plugs on it. Only one of them is going to match up as far as the plug is concerned. Next, we need to connect power to our FlowMate flow monitor. The other end of this cable is going to be run to a battery, whether it be on a UTV or a truck or any kind of 12-volt power source. Next, let's go over some controls. Here you have a toggle switch to switch between a live view of your flow rate and your total usage, a toggle switch to switch between English and metric units and your flow calibration, and your toggle switch to adjust up and down. This display is usually mounted inside the cab or somewhere easily accessible and seen by the operator. To switch between your live flow rate and your total volume used, simply use this toggle switch to flip back and forth between the 2 modes. To switch between English and metric units, simply hold the middle toggle switch down and use your toggle switch selector on the right to select your units. This next step is where you're going to need the calibration number from the tag in the beginning of the video. Simply hold the middle toggle switch up while using the right toggle switch to move to the calibration number from the tag from the manufacturer's settings. Once you achieve this number, simply let go of the middle toggle switch. To reset your total volume used, simply toggle to total volume and hold the right toggle switch down for 3 seconds. You will notice that the display resets. For more educational resources and how-to videos, visit us at gregsandclark.com or give us a call and one of our skilled team members can answer any questions that you may have.